I am Virat Chawla. I'm from India and I am working on impacts of hydroelectric projects on the critical habitat for mountain birds. We have selected Parvati Hydro-electric Project as a case study. We particularly selected this site because this project lies adjacent to Great Himalaya National Park. Moreover, BirdLife International has identified it as endemic bird area. Some of the rare and threatened species of birds like western tragopan and cheetah pigeons have been found in this valley. So it is important from conservation point of view. Apart from that, the diversity of birds is particularly very high in this region, and it is important to see how this project is going to impact these birds. So we design an experiment and try to see how it's been affecting them. During our study, we compared uh, different sets of habitats like forest, disturbed forest, secondary forest, agriculture, and disturbed agriculture's habitats. And what we found is the species richness and abundance of birds in disturbed habitats being pretty low. Um, this indicates that hydroelectric projects have negative, have negatively impacted the diversity of birds. So the lesson learned from this particular study is that any development proposed in in the so-called highly biodiverse region need to be evaluated thoroughly. And second is we need to establish now some long-term monitoring station in the valley to evaluate biodiversity in the coming years to so that we could uh, learn from our mistakes and try to not and try we will not repeat it in the futures projects. Uh, so I like to finish here. I like to thank Rufford Small Grant Foundation for funding this project, and uh, thanks a lot.